Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make taco lasagna with tortillas. Preheat oven to 375 degrees F and grease a 9x13 dish. Brown 1 pound of seasoned ground beef and drain excess fat. Stir in 1 packet taco seasoning and 1 cup salsa. Layer tortillas, meat, ricotta, and shredded cheese, repeating until full. Cover and bake 20 minutes, then uncover and bake 5 to brown cheese. Gather your ingredients: tortillas, 1 pound ground beef, 1 cup salsa, 1 packet taco seasoning, 1 cup ricotta, and 2 cups shredded cheese. Drain and season the meat, then taste and adjust salt. Prep extras like black beans or corn and chop any veggies. Layer tortillas with a thin spread of ricotta to prevent sogginess, then build alternating layers of meat, cheese, and tortillas until the dish is filled. If you're enjoying this taco lasagna guide, please subscribe and like to support more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for hands-free music and timers while you cook. It's perfect for kitchen playlists and setting multiple timers. I've included a link and deals in the description for anyone interested. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. When assembling, keep layers balanced and avoid overloading with sauce to prevent a soggy result. Cover with foil for most of the bake to trap steam, then remove foil to brown the cheese. Use a sharp knife to slice after letting the casserole rest for about 10 minutes so layers set. Serve with fresh cilantro, lime wedges, or sour cream for bright flavor contrasts and a pleasing presentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.